Hello and welcome back. Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to provide the game state to the game, and we will initialize with some value. So okay, what do we need for the game state? First we need to know in which row are we in, so that we can figure out if we won, if we lost, or which row we should check against the secret. The next thing is the current color. So if a user selects like black and he clicks here, we know that the current color is black, so we add the color to the row here, right? Then we need to keep track of the rows and the colors that have been inputted into them. We need to keep track of the hints so that we could show them after each row is complete. And of course we need to know about the secret that has been picked up. And based on these values we can say that the game is won, the game is lost, or the game is ongoing. So these are the things that we're going to keep track of. I will add a helper function here. And this will spit out a initial game state that we will use when the game starts and when the game restarts. This will basically just spit out a object. First thing is that our current row is 0. We start at index 0. The current color can be the first color that we have. So I would say color options at index 0. And then we can have the rows. It should be a array of 10. Actually, instead of just define 10 here, let me go to the color options, and here say that the tries can be like 10, so that we can change this value and the game becomes like easier or harder. So instead of 10 here I would say tries, and we will fill each of them and then map each value to be a like array of 4 values. In the beginning they are just empty. We have the same thing for the hints, and similar for the secret, but the secret is like a 4, and instead of just mapping it to an empty array we can randomize. So I would say color options and get a random number on that. So mat dot floor of color options dot length times the mat dot random. So mat dot random provides a value between 0 and 1, and when we multiply it by the length of the color options, which is 8, it will be a value between 0 and 7. Between 0 and 8, but not 8. And when we floor it, it will be a number between 0 and 7, and that number is being used as the index of the color options, so that we could get a random secret every time we run this function. And the final thing is the game state itself. In the beginning just empty string, which means that it's going on. Let me go back, refresh, and yep. Okay, so now that I have defined initial game state, I'm going to use it. So I would go to the app.js, and instead of just hard coding something here, I would say that init game state. Yep, this is being added. Okay, cool. So now if I go back to my app and refresh, I should see some values here. Yeah, the current color is blue, which is this color. Current row is 0. Game state is what it is. The hints is empty, rows is empty, and the secret is for now red, blue, orange, and green. So if I refresh and go to the value, to this one and to this one, it's another thing. Awesome. And let me see if I get like two of the same color. Yes, black and black. Awesome, cool. So this part is done. In the next part, we would show the active sections, which is like this active color, which of the colors is active and which of the rows is active. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.